है ना? ठीक है, फिर मिलते हैं. हाँ, बाय. ठीक है अंकल, ठीक है, ओके जी, बाय. As you saw, all the people nearby their home, everyone came and everyone came to send off me. I started my journey, so it is like around 10 hours journey from here, Nagpur outskirt, and to reach Jhansi. So it's around like 530 kilometers from here. So their home was nearby this highway. Then so it was easy for me to continue my journey directly, apart from any city traffic and all. And this is the way we have to cover Chindwara and Narsinghpur, then go. I'm just climbing some hill. So here climate is very hot, and I have seen many warning boards of tigers and all. So I think like here tiger is there. Okay. Where I was staying, they were telling that one of the god Hanuman's statue and temple is there here. So on the way you can visit like that. See, this is the one. So this is the temple actually. Now I just heading towards Jhansi. Okay, so the climate is very hot. Okay, after many days I got sweating, and it will be like this only. Then it will be very difficult for me to ride. So guys, here people are not using that much helmet and all. They are tying the cloth in their full face. See, ma'am, most of the people they are tying cloth only. Here the weather is very hot actually. So from Kanyakumari till here I never seen such a hot climate here. कुत्ते को भी गर्मी लग रही है, बैठा है. This is the dhaba where I had my lunch, and this is where I have taken a nap for 1 hour. They have organized this cool air cooler also. Okay, so that is free of cost. Only the charge for the lunch. Okay, I will show you the name of the dhaba. Whenever you are going from Nagpur to Jhansi, you have to pass this. You have to pass this sun. This is our bike. Sharma Family Restaurant. Samarth, sorry. Samarth Family Restaurant. So now I just left the dhaba. So their service was great actually. I was just trying to take a nap in the table itself, but they asked me to come to the cot, and they switch on the air cooler and all. This is the river, he said. So I'm feeling like going there and to take bath and all. It's really very hot. So I just came down to a bath here, and I parked my bike there and informed the person who was sitting there. It was just like normal dresses and all. Rest of the item I have taken with me. So let's go up and take the bike and come. We need to climb this, and I have come from there. So water was not cold at all. It was normal. So still many more kilometers to go. Let's see, today we will be reaching Jhansi or we will be staying before that. After I took bath, now it's raining. It's very insulting for me. So it's time to say goodbye to this dhaba. Today only I started my ride at 8 o'clock in the morning. Otherwise, daily after 10 p.m. only I will be starting. So the day one I started from Kanyakumari. Also like more than 10 a.m. it took for me to start the ride. So today only I just started at 8 a.m. पेट्रोल का डीजल का नहीं है अच्छा 94 रुपीज़ हाँ सही है बाकी जगह तो 108
वो एमपी है ना ये यूपी है
एमपी में 108 है अपा सर चला पापा வாழ்த்துக்கள் थैंक यू So this guy came from Tamil Nadu. He is a truck driver. He said like if anything happens in any help you need, you will just ask me. भाई कहाँ जा रहे हो? हाँ
लखनऊ लखनऊ
लखनऊ जा रहे हैं अच्छा अच्छा ठीक ठीक मैं जा रहा हूँ लद्दाख लद्दाख जा रहा हूँ लद्दाख लद्दाख
लद्दाख
कन्याकुमारी से आ रहा हूँ मैं
और कौन है
बस अकेला सोलो चलो मिलते हैं I thought he will be also traveling to Ladakh, but he is going to Lucknow it seems. So this is the Jhansi outer road. Last night if we would have halted there, then we need to go inside the city. Now it's not needed as we are just directly going to Delhi.